karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my opinel number 7 folding knife. So guys, if you know about this company, so this knife is made in France, okay? So, and this particular model is called as number 9. As you can see, it is written here, opinel number 9 and made in France. So guys, before I proceed, I would like to tell you I paid about 6 or money reals for it, which is equivalent to approximately 16 American dollars. So guys, now let us open the blade. Okay, so guys, you can see the blade. So this blade is made up of inox. Okay, so and this particular model, opinel number 9, so the blade is about 90 centimeters long, which is equivalent to about 3.5 inches. Okay, and it comes with this beech wood handle which is varnished, and the handle is about 12 centimeters. Okay, so guys, and this knife, it comes with two-way ring lock. See, when you open it, you can lock it by rotating this ring, and again you can move the ring back, you can unlock it, you can fold it back, and again you can lock it to keep it folded. So this prevents opening this knife accidentally. Okay, so guys, the good thing about this knife is it is very lightweight, so which makes it very easy and convenient to carry. Okay, so easily you can carry it. This is little, number 9 is little bigger for the pocket, but easily you can carry it in your backpack, or if you are a female, you can carry it in your purse, and even you can carry it in your cargo pocket. Okay, so guys, this is opinel number 9. Okay, so guys, like we also have a opinel number 12. So when I shared the review of that knife, some of the viewers, they commented like, while taking it outdoors and when you are cutting some raw meat with it, since the handle is very light, so it stains a lot, so with blood and so on. Okay, so that is a concern here, but otherwise overall this is a very good knife, and for the price you pay, it is just amazing. So guys, this is opinel number 9. So guys, before we end this video, so let us see how sharp the blade it is. So I did not sharp it, so this is how, this is the stock blade. So let us see the sharpness of the blade. So guys, you can see it is really sharp. See the way it slices the paper. So guys, always I say, while you are handling your knives, you should be very careful, else you may injure yourself. So guys, that's pretty much for today. So this was opinel number 9. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more EDC reviews, knife reviews, unboxing videos, and all kind of stuff. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.